Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add Samsung Internet Search widget to your home screen. I repeat, how to add Samsung Internet Search widget to your phone's home screen. To do that, from this page, which is the home page, you're going to tap on the three lines at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Settings, that is the gear icon. Scroll down till you see Useful Features, tap on it, and then you can see Add Search Widget to Home Screen, tap on it, and then you have to touch and hold the widget or tap Add to add it to the home screen. So you can touch it like this or tap Add, and this is there. I have added it to the home screen. Let's move it. I've added it to the home screen of my phone. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching. If you want to remove it, simply tap on Remove. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.